Making sense of the semen analysis report. The semen sample has three parameters: sperm concentration, sperm motility, and sperm morphology. If the sample has less than 15 million sperms per ml, this is considered to be a low sperm count. And if it is less than 5 million, it is very low. The technical term for this is oligospermia. Oligo means few. Some men will have no sperms at all and are said to be azoospermic. The semen in these patients look absolutely normal. It is only on microscopic examination that the problem is detected. Sperm motility, whether the sperms are moving well or not. Sperm motility means the ability of the sperms to move. 50% of total sperm should be motile. The quality of the sperms is often more significant than the count. Sperms are of two types, those which swim and those which don't. Remember that only those sperms which move forward fast are able to swim up to the egg and fertilize it. The others are of no use. Motility is graded from grade A to grade D according to WHO criteria. Grade A, which are also called as fast progressive, these sperms swim very fast in a straight line. Grade B, also called as slow progressive, these sperms swim forward but either in a curved or crooked line, or they move very slowly. Grade C are non-progressive. These sperms move their tails but do not move forward. It's a local motility. Grade D are completely immotile. Sperms of grade C and grade D are considered poor. If motility is poor, this is also called as azoospermia. This suggests that the testis is producing poor quality sperm and is not functioning properly. And this may mean that even apparently motile sperms may not be able to fertilize the egg. This is why we worry when the motility is only 20% when it should be at least 50%. Many men with low sperm count ask but doctor, I just need a single sperm to fertilize my wife's egg. If my count is 10 million and motility is 20%, this means I have 2 million motile sperms in my ejaculate. Why can't I get her pregnant? The problem is that the sperm in infertile men with low sperm count are often not functionally competent. They cannot fertilize the egg. The fact that only 20% of sperms are motile means 80% are immotile. And if so many sperms cannot even swim, one worries about the functional ability of the remaining sperms. Sperm morphology, whether the sperms are normally shaped or not. Ideally, a good sperm should have a regular oval head with a connecting midpiece and a long straight tail. If too many sperms are abnormally shaped, which is also called as teratozoospermia, when the majority of the sperms have abnormalities such as round heads, pin heads, very large heads, double heads, absent tails. This means that the sperms are functionally abnormal and will not be able to fertilize the egg. A normal sample should have at least 15% normal forms, which means even up to 85% abnormal forms is considered to be acceptable. Sperm agglutination or sperm clumping. Under the microscope, sometimes we see sperm sticking together to one another in bunches. This impairs sperm motility and prevents the sperms from swimming up to the egg through the cervix. We also check whether pus cells are present or not. While few white blood cells in semen is normal, but many pus cells suggest the presence of seminal infection. Now, what are the reasons for poor semen analysis report? Poor sperm test can result from incorrect semen collection technique if the sample is not collected properly or if the container is dirty. If there is too much of time delay between the collection of sample and its testing in the laboratory. And if there is too short an interval since the previous ejaculation, which is also called as abstinence.